When you place a floor plan order, our illustration team works hard to deliver your floor plans just as you ordered them. If we have made a mistake, let us know and we'll quickly fix it. Follow along to see how to order a correction. I'm on the RoomSketcher website, signed into my web account. Click Projects, and then click the name of a project that needs a correction to open the project dashboard. On the left, click Order Correction. This link is available for 14 days after you receive your order. You can indicate the problem area here. For example, missing a window. If your project has multiple floors or levels, check the affected level here. And if you want to add any comments, you can type them here. Then click Submit. And you'll see a message confirming that the correction was submitted. Usually, within 6 business hours, you'll receive an email with a link to your corrected floor plans. That's all there is to it. For more videos, go to roomsketcher.com.